Minnesota state and local officials are going to try to argue in court that the federal deployment of immigration agents in Minneapolis is illegal. Two separate hearings today will focus on the ongoing surge in the state, one weighing whether the Trump administration's operations are constitutional, another looking at evidence related to the killing of Alex Pretti. CBS News legal reporter Katrina Kaufman is here with me in studio. So let's take these arguments one by one. What happened in the hearing to stop the ICE surge?
So that hearing was this morning, and what Minnesota argues is that this ICE occupation in Minnesota is unconstitutional and illegal, Lindsay. They say it violates the 10th Amendment, state sovereignty. What the Trump administration argues is that this is a legal law enforcement operation. The federal government has authority here. The judge seemed very torn about how to handle this, Lindsay, whether or not this does in fact violate the 10th Amendment. She said that we are in shockingly unusual time, she said, but she didn't know if it gave her greater license to craft a remedy in the 10th Amendment. So we don't know yet what she's going to rule here. There was a lot of discussion as well about a letter from Attorney General Pam Bondi that had certain demands for Minnesota, whether the Trump administration is trying to force the state to enact certain policies by bringing ICE in. Now, the Trump administration refuted this. They say this is all about law enforcement. Minnesota said that it is essentially a ransom note. Lindsay.
The next hearing is about preserving evidence. What can we expect there?
That's right. So over the weekend, a judge made a decision, it's temporary though, that the evidence related to the killing of Alex Pretti can't be altered in any way. But today there's going to be, or destroyed, because as you were talking about with Lana, the state and local police have not had access to this, Lindsay. So today's hearing is a way to litigate this in court, to give the other side a chance to respond. The judge will decide if he's going to extend that ruling.
Katrina Kaufman, thank you.
Thank you.